And now for our weekly look at legal issues in the news with our in-house legal expert, Attorney Tom Olson. This is Olson on Law.
Alan Spector here, and yes, every Tuesday and Thursday at this time, we bring you Olson on Law with longtime Orlando attorney Tom Olson. There he is right now on the old Zoom camera, looking right at me. Good morning, Tom.
Good morning, Alan and crew and WFLA listeners.
All right, Tom, our topic this morning, if you're buying a home, and a lot of people are these days, what you need to know about deeds. Now, most people know you get a deed when you buy a property, but there's a more specific name for it, right?
The vast majority of deeds are called warranty deeds, wherein the seller makes a warranty of good title to the buyer. If there's a problem later on with the title, the buyer could sue the seller for the breach of that warranty.
So if a seller gives a warranty deed, do they then need to worry about getting sued years later?
No, because at the moment of closing, the seller pays for title insurance. So if there's a problem later on, the buyer would sue the title insurance company, not the seller.
So when folks are buying a property, what should they know about deeds?
What they should know is that we want to make sure their name is exactly correct on the deed. The name on the deed should match the name on their driver's license, because when they go to sell that property, they're going to look at the driver's license, and the name on the deed and the name on the driver's license, they need to match.
And is there anything else a buyer should check on the deed at the closing?
So at the moment of closing, make sure that your name is properly and exactly as your driver's license appears. And on that deed, there's going to be an address telling the Orange County property appraisers where to mail the tax bill to. Make sure that that address is the property that you're moving to, not your current address.
Great advice. And if you have legal questions about this or anything else, Tom will be more than pleased to answer them on the Olson on Law show. That is heard Saturdays at 10 a.m. on our sister station, 96.9 The Game. And a reminder, we are on Zoom. You can watch Tom and me do the Tuesday and Thursday morning segments on Twitter and Facebook, live and later on. Tom, thanks very much, and we'll see you next time, which will be Tuesday.
Thank you, Alan.
And remember, for all of your legal needs, call the Olson Law Group in Orlando.